Once upon a time in Kalimantan, there lived a girl and her mother in a small village. The girl's name was Darmi. Darmi was a very beautiful girl, but she was a very lazy girl who never helped her mother around the house. Every day, she would only wear her dresses, putting on her makeup, and admiring herself in the mirror. I'm a pretty girl. You will love my dress. It's colorful and also shiny. I have a pretty face. A prince will fall in love with me. I'll find my destiny, creating new history. When Darby was sitting in her room, she heard her mother calling her name. Darby, Darby. Oh, there you are. Come, my dear. We're going to the market. What? There's no way I'm going with an old woman like you. Darby's mother was a little offended, but she kept smiling. Please, Darby. I'll buy you a new hairbrush. You said your other one was broken, right? Fine. And you need to walk behind me to the market. At the market, all eyes were following Darby. They were admiring the girl's beauty, but they were also very curious. Who is the woman behind her? Hey, beautiful girl. Who is the woman behind you? Is she your mother? A handsome man asked Darby. No, she's not my mother. She's just my servant. Darby's mother was very sad to hear that, but she didn't say anything. Then another man approached them. Hey, sweetie. Is the one walking behind you your mother? Ugh, she's not my mother. She's just my servant. Again and again, Darmi replied to the same answer every time people asked. Darmi's mother couldn't take it anymore. She knelt down and cried. Oh Allah! I can't take this anymore. My daughter always degraded me. Please give her the proper punishment. Just then, the sky turned dark. The wind howled, and before Darmi could react, her legs became stone. Darmi was really panicking. She started to cry. Mother, help! Please, mother, help! But it was too late. Even her own mother couldn't do anything but cry, seeing her own daughter turn into a big stone. Even though Darmi has turned into a stone, people could still see tears coming down from the stone. Tears of regret. Now, it is believed that the tears came from Darby, who regretted her actions to her mother. People now name the stone the Crying Stone. Well, my dear friends, do you know the moral of the story? Well. The moral of the story is that we must respect our parents, especially our mother. Let's take a moment to send dua to our parents. Rabbi ighfir li wa liwalidayya warhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Oh Allah, please forgive me and the sins of my parents. Please love both of them as well as they look after me since I was a child. Amen. And that's the end of my story. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you again, inshallah, in another competition of MAPK Fair. See you guys next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.